Alright guys, we're in Long Beach, California, and this is my bike check. Alright, so starting from the front, we got the Stranger Thrash bars. It's size 8.7 rise. We got Shadow Conspiracy alloy barns. I don't know if you can see that. Vans Colt grips, pretty comfortable, or whatever. We got the Fit download drop, flipped upside down, 53mm. Primo headset in blue. We got the Colony. I don't know if you can see it. The Colony clone front hub laced to a Cinema 777 rim. To a Fit FAF 2.25 tire. Forks are Odyssey classic dirt forks. Let's see. The seat is a Fit slim seat. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I got it with the frame stuff. Cranks are premium 1948 cranks with JCPC pedals. Odyssey and MDS sprocket. 25 tooth. I don't have a chain right now because I just put on this frame. And by the way, it's a Fit Eddie V3, the one with the integrated seat post, size 21. Yeah. So in the back, I have a G Sport ratchet, 9 tooth. The driver's on the left hand side, as you can see. I run an Odyssey 2 point, I don't know what size, 2 point something back tire. And on the left side, I have Fiend pegs, and on the right side, I have Animal Butcher pegs. Yeah, that's right, chainless and 4 pegs. Well, better angle. Yeah, it's pretty dialed. I like it a lot. I've never had a complete all black bike, so it's pretty dope. And if you like it, let me know.